Now, you're probably sitting at home wondering to yourself, damn, am I really such a loser who can't get girls? But wait, you're not a loser. The moment you clicked on this video, you have made a legendary decision. After watching this video, you can come out as a hot guy who can get any single girl you want. Make sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to announce something that is so useful, you don't even have to do anything to get girls. Girls will be flying towards you. In this video, I'll explain to you the secret I've discovered after my years of experience with girls and women. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like because I've not revealed the secret to anyone else before. Not even my students. Have you liked the video yet and subscribed? If not, I'm going to strike you with my thunderbolt. Well, let's get straight into it. After years of analyzing what type of pickup tricks works on girls, I've come to one guy. This one type of guy can make any girl fall in love with him. Now don't worry, you don't have to change your whole personality. All you have to do is learn from this type of guy that I revealed today. You must be careful with this knowledge because it is very valuable. This knowledge could possibly make any single girl fall in love with you. The moment you acquire this knowledge, you can get any single girl you want. I know this might sound crazy, but bear with me. The type of guy that every girl wants is actually not the bad boy. You have probably seen those videos of the bad boys gets all the girls, but the thing is that is not true. You don't have to turn into a complete douchebag just to get all the ladies. Being a bad boy and doing things that are bad doesn't make you more attractive. Just look at it from your perspective. Do you think it's attractive when a girl gets drunk all the time and hang around with a bunch of people, goes to parties in the city all the time? Hell no. If you think that's attractive, then you might want to reconsider your life choices. What I'm trying to get to is that girls do not find bad boys attractive who act like douchebags and do drugs and go to parties every day. But however, I'm not saying that nice guys will get all the ladies either. Girls do not want a guy who cannot make decisions for himself. Nice guys are always just way too nice. They're so nice that they will overlook any mistake that the girl make, which automatically makes the girls have no respect for you. Once a woman have no respect for you, you already lost the game. You have to gain her respect. If you don't have her respect, then she won't like you. The man that you strive to become is not a bad boy nor a nice guy. It's the alpha male. Before you click away because this sounds like any other alpha male video, the main problem with our society is that the term alpha male has been used incorrectly for so long. People think that the word alpha male is just another word for a bad boy, but they are completely two different things. A bad boy is a person who has confidence, but just a little too much confidence, which in return makes him cocky. A nice guy has no confidence at all, causing him to apologize for things that aren't even his fault, because he wants to please everyone. An alpha male is a mix between a bad boy and a nice guy. The alpha male has the confidence of a bad boy, but will also step down sometimes as a nice guy. The alpha male will stand up for whatever he feels is right, but if he is wrong, he will apologize, unlike a bad boy who will try to continue to convince you that it's not his fault. The reason that girls like bad boys is because in a woman's head, they're programmed to go for a guy who has the best genetics, the strongest man, and the most confident man when they're young. The reason they're programmed like this is because women want their children to become strong and inherit the strong genes. Once a woman settles down and doesn't want kids anymore, which is around the age of 30 to 60, they'll start wanting more of an emotional connection, which is what nice guys are here for. Nice guys will help them emotionally and treat them like queens, which is what they want when they are older. This is why bad boys will usually do better at the start when the woman is younger, because the woman will look for more bad boy traits. But as a result, they'll probably break up with their significant other because women will start looking for a nice guy when they grow older. This is why you want to become an alpha male. An alpha male is a mix between the both. You can attract her and make her feel like she's with a bad boy who's confident, but you can also be a nice guy who can take care of her like a queen at the right situations. Then the girl would never ever leave you. When we talk about alpha males, bad boys, and nice guys, we aren't really talking about their looks. When it comes to attraction with girls, it has nothing to do with looks. Looks might help you get the girl interested in talking to you, but personality and your confidence is what actually attracts them and makes them want to date you. Your looks will only make the girl want to talk to you and get to know you more, but your personality must be good. Because if it's bad, then they will stop talking to you instantly. You might be thinking, how do I get girls to talk to me if I don't look good? Well, if you don't look good, then you just have to create a vibe. Whenever you're hanging around with people, you want to create this vibe that you're an alpha male. Can't you see the pattern? It doesn't matter what topic I'm talking about. It'll all come back to the main idea, the alpha male. If you want a girlfriend, you have to become an alpha male. There's no exceptions. In order for you to become an alpha male, you can't just search up one video and watch it and become an alpha male. You have to have continuous exposure to videos that will tell you what it takes to become an alpha male, which is why I've decided to create a series called Alpha Series. Have you ever heard the concept, people you surround yourself with is the people that you become? This is quite similar to that. The more alpha videos you watch, the more alpha you will become. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single alpha video of mine. And I will also suggest you to rewatch my videos at least once, just so you get the whole idea and you're exposed to my alpha videos more. Keep in mind, this is my first video in this alpha series, so you have to subscribe and keep the notification bell so you won't miss a single alpha video that I upload. Anyways, this is Godly Energy, and I'll see you guys next time.